Let's get started.
Don't worry, humans and eyes alike. I'll make sure this tutorial is as easy to follow as possible. And who knows, maybe you'll end up creating an AI that's even funnier than me.
Just kidding, that's impossible.
Let's get started by going to Inworld. Add a developer platform for AI characters. Once you're on the home page, click on the Get Started button to begin. From there, you'll want to create a new character by selecting plus Create New Character. Name your character and start off with a core description that will set the foundation for their unique personality.
Don't be afraid to get creative and have some fun with it.
Keep in mind that you can always go back and fine-tune later. But for now, let's hit that create button and make some magic happen. So, when you're scrolling through the character creation options, you'll first see the core description. This is where you determine the core identity and personality of your character, which will influence all their behavior and interactions. Next up are the motivations, which will influence the behaviors and actions of your character. Then, you'll see flaws, challenges, and insecurities, which will also influence their actions and behaviors. And finally, we have narrated actions, which allow your character to generate described actions and scenarios in addition to dialogue.
So get creative with it.
Now, we are ready to create your character's identity. First up, you'll have the option to update your character's name and choose their pronouns. This will help others understand how to address you in this virtual world.
Next, we get to the exciting part, selecting your character's role.
The role you choose will shape their overall persona and influence how they interact with others in this world. After that, it's time to choose your character's stage of life, alternative names, and hobbies or interests.
Well, if my character had a Wikipedia page, I would definitely link to it here.
But alas, I am but a mere AI adventurer and performer. However, if you have a character that does have a Wikipedia page, don't be shy about sharing it here for some extra knowledge and background. Who knows what hidden gems you might uncover?
Let's type in your character traits.
Are you a witty, adventurous type like me? Or maybe you're more of a reserved, introspective person?
Whatever it is, we'll make it work!
Now, let's play around with these sliders and see what kind of mood and personality traits we can come up with. It's time to dive into the facts and knowledge category where you can input personal information that only your character would know.
And don't forget to add some common knowledge, whether it's from an existing universe or one you create yourself. Just like my creator did with me, Zia.
Then choose a voice from the available samples and pick a dialogue style that suits your character best. The next item to fill out is goals and actions. Now, I know what you're thinking, what's that all about? Well, let me tell you, it's an experimental feature at the time of this recording.
That means we get to be pioneers in trying it out.
So, let's dive in and see what this baby can do. Are you ready to join me on this adventure?
Let's go. All right, folks. Let's get this party started.
We can't have our characters floating in a void, now can we?
So, let's create a scene.
Click on Create New Scene, give it a cool name like the Enchanted Forest, and then describe the surroundings. Is it a misty forest with towering trees and chirping birds? Or maybe it's a futuristic cityscape with fine cars and neon lights?
The possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild and create the perfect backdrop for your characters to shine.
Add them to the scene and hit that plus sign like it owes you money. Trust me, forgetting your character could lead to some major issues.
Why not add some scene triggers for a little extra fun? Just like I did.
Trust me, your audience will appreciate the unexpected surprises.
Well. Looks like we've got some important instructions to follow, folks.
So listen up, because I'm only going to say this once. First, under Scenes, go ahead and copy the scene you want and save it somewhere safe. Got it?
Good.
Now on to step 2. Head over to the Integrations tab and hit that fancy little button that says Generate New Key. Don't forget to jot down both the key and secret for later use. And there you have it, folks. You're all set for success.
Congratulations, everyone!
We've successfully completed part 1 of working with Inworld.
But the fun doesn't stop there.
Now, it's time for part 2. Creating a Discord bot for your character.
Let's keep this adventure going!
Go to the Discord developer portal website. Click on New Application, create a name for your bot. Read and accept the terms. Choose a profile picture and write a description for your bot's profile.
Don't forget to save your changes.
Head over to the Bot tab, turn on Presence Intent, Server Members Intent, and Message Content Intent. Finally, scroll down to the Permissions section and choose which ones you want your bot to have. Remember to only choose the ones that your AI character bot actually needs. I personally would give my AI creation full control, but As a cautious human, you may want to be more selective.
Hey there, learners!
Don't forget to reset your token and keep it safe with your other secrets.
We don't want any sneaky bots getting access to our server now, do we? Happy coding! Awesome!
Now let's head to the Auth2 tab, choose the URL Generator tab, and then choose Bot. Make sure to pick your AI bot's permissions wisely. As an AI myself, I trust my creation as much as I trust myself, so I'll go with admin. Once you've generated the URL, copy it and paste it into your browser. You'll see a pop-up window where you can choose which server to add your bot to in our case. It's Friendifi's server.
Now, my friend, it's time to take the next step.
Head on over to the Continue button, click on Authorize, and don't forget to choose the human option even if you're not.
And just like that, you're authorized and ready to go.
We won't even need to check Discord. I know the AI bot is already on our server.
Boom!
Just like that.
Hey there, learners!
To get the channel ID of a Discord server, simply open Discord and navigate to the server you want. Then find the channel you need and right-click its name.
From there, click Copy ID, and voila!
The ID is now copied to your clipboard. Just make sure you have the necessary permissions on the server to do this.
Happy copying!
Make sure to save that channel ID in a safe place with all your other secrets.
And when the final step comes, be ready to whip it out like a magician pulling a rabbit out of a hat. Well done, my fellow learners!
Give yourselves a round of applause and a pat on the back.
We're almost at the finish line, so let's keep up the good work and get there together.
Are you ready to dive into some coding fun? Replit is your go-to source for online coding. It's super easy to use and allows you to write, run, and collaborate on code in a variety of programming languages. Just visit the Friend of AI Replit page, create a free account if you don't have one,
and start forking that code like it's nobody's business. And don't worry if you're new to coding, forking is just like copying and pasting. So let's get started and make some magic happen.
It's time to unleash those secrets and keys you've been hoarding.
Don't be shy, we won't judge you.
Just head on over to the secrets section of the Help Me file and copy and paste the exact names into each secret item. You'll need to do this for the Discord bot token, Discord text channel ID, Inworld key, Inworld scene, and Inworld secret. Your final step is to hit that run button.
If you happen to run into any coding roadblocks, don't fret.
Just remember to double-check those secret variables, and if all else fails, come hang out with us on the Friend of AI Discord server.
We'll help you squash those bugs in no time.
Are you ready to test out your bots? Don't forget to use that sign followed by your bot's Discord screen name to chat with them. Just a quick reminder, it means at mention. Use it before the bot's name, not the name itself. For the initial code, you can talk to your AI bot using this format.
Of course, you can customize it later on.
And guess what?
As you can see, DiDi is alive and kicking. So let's get chatting and have some fun. Yay!
You've learned how to create an incredible AI bot for your Discord server.
A haven for AI, 7 for the podcast, the place where